Here I am, I'm off out southwest Queensland. It's just after the March floods. They had the big floods all out through southwest Queensland, and I'm heading out here to meet a really good friend of mine. Going to catch up at one of my favourite watering holes and going to have a couple of beers and maybe try to catch a yabby and a couple of fish. So we'll see how we go when we get there. Today with my good friend Rob. Rob, mate, where are we today?
Nindigully.
What are we doing here at Nindigully, mate?
What are we doing at Nindigully, Adam?
We're going fishing. Rightio, we had absolutely no bait. We haven't got any yabbies yet, but look what come over. G'day guys, how are ya?
Good.
What'd you bring us?
Yabbies.
Yabbies. So you're going to come fishing with us?
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome. You are?
Great.
And?
Theo.
Grace and Theo, welcome down here on the Real Fishing.
Have you caught anything yet, Adam?
Not yet, Rob.
Can we pull them in yet? How about now? What about now? Can we pull them in now? Have you caught anything yet, Adam?
No, Rob.
Can I pull it in now?
Yes, Rob, you can pull it in now.
Finally.
What'd you get, Rob? A shrimp.
A shrimp.
One shrimp.
Is that going to feed all of us?
Oh.
Is that going to feed all of us?
No.
No.
Oh, what'd you catch, Rob?
I caught this. Now I just got to skin it.
Hello.
G'day, what are you doing?
Checking the yabby catches.
Well, go and pull in the yabby pot then.
Sure. Feels like we got some. And we don't have any weight. We got one.
Way!
No, that's fish.
Pull him in, pull him in, pull him in. Get him up
That's
here.
fish.
And you got some shrimp as well. Oh. What have we caught here, guys?
We've caught two European carp.
Two European carp.
Which one I want to kill. And we've got 3 yabbies and
Spangled perch, they are.
yeah.
Those ones there.
I want to kill them. And those ones. And so yeah, we probably won't put the European carp back because they are pests.
Yep, what are we going to do with them?
Probably kill them.
We're going to knock them on the head, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yep. Adam, what's that called?
It's a weird.
Over there.
It's a weird.
What do you mean where? It's over there.
A weir.
What's it called? That thing over there. You said where?
A weir.
Oh, a weir. That's what I'm like after a few of these.
It's over there. Hey Rob, what's happened with this weather, mate?
Fine.
Big storm coming.
We'll be right. I got a hat to sleep under.
We're going real fishing. Not just sitting down wishing. We're going real fishing. So come along with Adam and Ray. We're on a 40-foot yacht or a 10-foot tinny. In the sun or the rain or just feel silly. Going real fishing. So come along with Adam and Ray. Yeehaw!
Come on, big fella, go to sleep.
Oh, I can hear him.
He's a clever little yabby, isn't he?
How weird.
And we can wake him up. Ready? Wake him up. Wake up, fella. There he goes. Roll over. Roll over. Who's a good yabby? Who's a good yabby?
Here we are with the yabbies and shrimp that we got yesterday out at Nindigully, and we're just going to boil them up and have a little bit of a feed. Yeah, they're boiling away. Looks like our yabbies are just about done there. So we turn off the gas. Give them a quick little drain out.